Hey everyone, welcome back again to my another video, and this is my very first video on 2021, and I'm really excited to show you a landscape illustrations. Okay, so here's the 3 landscape illustrations you can see on my screen, and first of all I'm going to mention that I never planned anything for this. Okay, so without any wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to create a document with 1920 into 1080p resolution. So let's get created, or if you're using very older versions, you can get into the create new document, and here you can see when you just go to the web and you will find this resolution. Okay, and if it's for printing or something else, you can choose other format and make sure choose the CMYK format and make sure it's 300 ppi. Okay, so let it keep 72 because we are using for only screen. Okay, let's create this. Alright, so we are in the document now. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you that what is the inspirations that I have. Here is the inspiration. So this is the image that we are going to use this. Okay, so as an inspirations, but not actually, I'm not going to use this for copyright reason. Okay, now, so here is our document, and okay, let's select the pen tool. And let's create. So the first, it will be lake. Just keep it as it is, as a main base, you could say. And let's scale it up. And next, we're gonna create mountain ranges. Okay, it's done. And now we're gonna create another layer of mountain. And we're gonna put it backward. And now we're gonna create another mountain. And we're gonna push it behind. Okay, now let's create the bigger mountain, which is our main focus. Okay, now let's put it behind. Oops. Okay, now our concept is almost done. And now let's go for the details. What we can do an interesting thing that we can make this, it's taking too much spaces, so we're gonna need more spaces on the sky. So let's select everything and just drag it behind and bring that up a bit. Okay, now it's done. It's pretty much plain now, and I love it. And now let's put some. Okay, before we put something else, we need to adjust a little bit. Alright, it's okay now. Okay, so here we're gonna put some trees. Okay, and it's very easy. We just grab pen tool and just create 3 points as a triangle. Now I'm gonna drag it over here, and let's select this both layer and Control G, or you can click right, or you can right click and just make it group. And now let's come forward. Let's bring at the front. And now let's double click on it, group selected, and now I'm going to copy and I'm going to place it like hold. You can hold Alt and just drag it. Hold Alt and just drag it. It's very easy. Now what you can do, one interesting thing, we can copy most of the trees, and let's copy, Control C, and go to the next layer and Control V. Okay, now let's select everything and just make it group. Now you won't have any problem like selecting other groups and all other layers and other elements. Now we make sure scale down to make it more elastic and start copying like last time we did. Okay, now it's done. And for the back layer, let's leave it as is. And now let's select the color and all, and let's make a good looking illustrations. And for the front layer, and it won't really look very good. Let's make some bangs and all to look more nice. I will show you what I did here. Okay, what I did here, it's a kind of bank, or a bank you could say, and we're gonna use this layer and this layer at the same color. Okay, and now for the mountain, we're gonna take care of it later. Now let's select the color concept. So I'm pretty much like the blue color. Let's select the blue color. I'm not good at it. Color picking too. Oh my god. Let's remove this stroke and select the different version as you like. Not this one. Alright. So this is the main color, so we won't be using this. I mean, I don't use this color when I always take as, you know, preferences. That's it. And now let's select the color of this palette and see how this works. For this one, let's choose this color. See, here is that I made mistake, and it's very noticeable. So make sure keep an eye on it once you just put color, because at the first time you won't notice anything. So when you just finalize everything for the publish, so make sure check everything. And now for the next one, let's select this one, but in the brighter version. Make sure it's visible at the front there. That's perfect. And now at the back layer, let's double click on it and let's make some details on mountain. So make sure it doesn't look very bad, and I always ruin mountain and I'm really good at it. Okay, that's done. And for this one, we can add a bit here, not too much. And let's add some extra mountain layers. Go down here, and Also, you can add some more over here as a retouch. Yeah, now it's perfect. Now select everything, and let's bring Shape Builder tool, where you can find here. Now remove, hold Alt, and remove the unnecessary layer. Okay, now we're really good to go. Let's go behind, and let's select the color. It's almost the same. Let's make it brighter. Select the color. Layers, and just make it brighter. That's it. I guess it's not bad too. And what you can do, you can reduce the opacity a bit to get more adjustment. Same as just select and get the eyedropper tool and just hit here. Right? It's very easy and super simple, and nothing to worry about it. And it's super simple. No one worries about it too. Okay. I think I made a mistake of the bank. Maybe we can do a better thing, like selecting like that to get a more adjustment. I think it's perfect now. For me, it's perfect. And now let's make it sky. Bring it backward. Let's select gradient tool and let it keep us white. Okay, let's see the references. Okay, let's keep it white and let's make it blue. For you can do a very twinky stuff. You can play around like me. Actually, I don't play. And let's make it brighter and see how it works. Okay, you can play yourself. No one just going to say anything. That's all the freedom in Adobe Illustrator. Not bad. I love it. Not bad. And for the bottom layer, we're gonna take care in a shot. Now let's add some cloud. So what I can do, add some. No, I think cloud won't be very good. So we can add a line over here to give a very not living sky very empty. It's already selected in the gradient, so as default, I love it. Let's create another one. It won't be bad. And select both of them and just reduce the opacity around 30%. And now for now, let's do this other two. And for now, let's go for the lake. So what you can do now, you can select the same gradient as the sky and just drag it like that. And for now, what you can do, select everything and just hold Alt and just copy everything. And let's make it group, Control G and and Control G. And now you can copy and Control F to place it as the same place. See, now it's 2 layers. Now select this thing, just bring to the center. You can adjust it later. Let's select the transform and choose reflect. Now the horizontal, now it's reflected. Okay, so now let's bring the layer front, very front, and let's adjust it and select this one and the behind layer. So, and just make clip mask. Now double click on it and just bring it a little bit behind it. Okay, now let's see the results. It's done. Da da da. Okay. And now additionally, you can just reduce the opacity to look more nicer and cleaner, and we can use the pen tool and make some layers like that and all. Like this. And what you can do, again, same thing, just reduce the opacity. Not just working too much. I think it's pretty good, not bad. Okay, now it's done. And finally, hit the finalizing. Just select everything, just Control G and make it group, and select over here and just click a clipping mask. It doesn't matter whichever you're using. You can use solitaire or gradient, it doesn't matter. And now let's make a clipping mask. Ta-da-da. Your illustration is ready. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you really like it, and this time I'm just speaking very confident. And yeah, thank you guys. And thank you for the support, and thank you everyone for the supporting from the beginning, and I really appreciate it. And also make sure if you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't, just hit that dislike button, and also let me know your suggestions, your feedback in the comment section. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, just leave it up below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. And if you need any illustrations, you can definitely at the descriptions. You can reach me on create.xyz, my official website, and you can reach me on Fiverr. And until next time, I'm gonna see you later. Thank you.